If you are hesitating about what to prepare for the upcoming back-to-school season business, or you thought others are too commonplace, well, I got you. Stick around, you will find something really different. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Dean. I know it's been a while we haven't met. How's it going, everyone? Okay, like I said at the beginning, so in today's video, I would like to introduce some business growing school season Sublimation item to you. First and foremost, the notebook of course is the #1 item on my list. I prepared 3 different material covers in 2 different sizes, which are poly PU color, plastic cover, and linen cover, A5 and A6 sizes. Firstly, it is our unique poly PU notebook. The poly PU material actually takes us 2 years to develop, and it is very smooth, soft, and heat resistant. You know what attracts it most? This material is the first waterproof fabric blank with a soft leather feeling in the industry. Furthermore, it comes with an elastic strap that can prevent the book from being randomly opened. Besides, A5 and A6 sizes poly PU notebooks both have around 90 sheets of writing paper. The second one is plastic cover notebook, made of wear-resistant, tear-resistant, and moisture-resistant plastic that is durable enough to protect your notes and outlast other spiral notebooks. As for the writing papers of A5 and A6 plastic notebooks have around 60 pieces. The last one is linen cover notebook, made of high-quality linen, which is pretty sturdy and could give you a natural feeling. As for the writing papers of this kind, had around 80 pieces. These smooth writing notebooks with different styles, no matter which one it is, it can easily meet your writing needs. And I think these are not only suitable for your children in school, but also for you who work in the office. Am I right? Okay, our cute water bottle is the second school season item that I will introduce to you guys. We got pink and blue, made of full-grade PP material. This bottle is very compact and lightweight. Besides, it comes with an adjustable strap so that it can be held on the children's neck. It has a spill-proof cap inside. No need to worry about the leaking or pouring. Next, the plastic lunch box. 2 colors, pink and blue, made of full-safe plastic, same as the water bottle. And it is very light to carry. However, the top cover have a protruding curved section that can be easily and swiftly removed. Then is backpack, made of premium 600D Oxford material, having good breathability, so even in summer, carrying it on the shoulder or back won't be like stuffy. As for this one, there are much more colors you can choose from, like pink, blue, classic covers, right, red, and hot pink. And it comes with a comfortable and adjustable strap, which are quite easy to carry. Oh, by the way, you can see here, the match pockets are located on both sizes for placing water bottles and compact umbrellas. The following one is pencil case, made of 600D Oxford material too, which is pretty durable. And as you can see, 4 colors for you to choose from: red, black, hot pink, and blue. You can tell this one is different, but very similar, right? This is another kind. This one comes in a larger capacity to accommodate various pens, and has several slots to place different pens like crayons or pencil. This one also made of 600D Oxford. If you think that's all here, Then you are completely wrong. Before show you more, guys, hit the subscribe button. I will be very grateful about that. Okay, keep going. This is our brand new metal lunchbox. Very elegant looking with huge capacity. It not only can be placed for food, but used as a storage box for placing a bunch of small items at home. Besides, it is equipped with a comfortable handle that is easy to carry. Most importantly, look at this. Features a secure latch for open and close. So no need to worry about the accidentally open. Imagine that if you use this metal box to hold your lunch or breakfast, something like that, how cool it would be. Just put on your sunglasses and suit up. Seems like an agent about to exchange something, right? Next is stainless steel water bottle. Double wall 304 stainless steel with 350 milliliters. Perfect for child's daily water needs. Well, let's take a deeper look. The bullet design full-grade inner plug has excellent functions of insulation and cool insulation at least for 6 to 12 hours. Press to open and repress to close. Easy to clean and keep hygienic. What do you think of the products I had mentioned? If you are interested in any one of them or want to see more, comments down or click the link below to visit our website. We also have sequence series, wooden pencil case, and even double wall glass tumblers, which are some amazing products I haven't talked about because of the time limitation. Alright guys, this is all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Oh, by the way, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe up. Peace out.